Lianna enjoys taking photos of nature because she believes that the most natural light is the prettiest.
On my free time, I like going outside and observing nature and taking pictures of all the flowers and wildlife that's around me.
One of Lianna's favorite things to do in between class after taking photos of the flowers is sit back and relax by the turtle pond, just to enjoy the ambiance and the calmness of the pond. One of Lianna's favorite parts about the turtle pond is the fact that it reminds her of having a few turtles of her own when she was younger.